All right, now that I have my cube, I'm going to look at my Inventor Sketch Cube list here to see what it is that I need to do with that. So it says side 1, feature extrusion. Create a new sketch on one side and sketch a new rectangle on that side that is smaller than the entire side. Extrude it to 0.25. So I'm going to go to Inventor here. Here's my cube. I went back and made my cube a little bit bigger, so now I'm working with a 3 by 3 inch cube, just so that I have enough space on the side to do what it is that I want to do. It says to create a new sketch on a side. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch and I'm going to pick which side I want to put this on. When I click on that side, it's going to show me that side. And when I click on 2D sketch, I'm able to draw onto that side. It says to create a rectangle on that side that's smaller than the entire side. So if I'm looking at that side, I'm going to go back to my rectangle mode here, click into the middle of that side, though I could put it someplace else on my shape, and draw a rectangle. It just says a rectangle. It doesn't say how big the rectangle has to be, just that it's smaller than the entire side of the cube. So I'm going to go ahead and make, let's see, kind of a long skinny rectangle there. And when I click in, it has now secured that side of the rectangle. I'm going to finish that sketch. Notice now on my cube, I have that smaller rectangle sketched on this side. If I rotate my cube, that smaller rectangle is going to go away because it's sketched specifically on the front of my cube. Rotate a little bit so you can see again. Now it says to extrude it to 0.25 inches. So if I go back to Inventor, I'm going to click Extrude again, just like I did for my cube. And notice it goes onto that shape, and it said to do it to 0.25. So it's going to be a little part that sticks out from my cube. Now at this dimension, or this direction, it's kind of hard to see it, but if I rotate that, you can see that that part actually sticks out now from the side of my cube. If I go to View, I could set it so that I can see the shadows on there. Maybe I don't want all those shadows, but that helps me see a little bit how it's sticking out. So that was in View, and then I turned on the ambient shadows. It helps show me a little bit that these sides don't exactly blend into each other. That's side 1 of the cube. All it says is to make a rectangle that's smaller than the side and to extrude it. So it looks like I am done with that one.